you shall continue to prosper.
See,
whatever they have acquired in the city, you shall take over.
He said,
remain in the city while they come back to the village, where they wallow in poverty and want until they die.
He said, hey.
Just remain in the city. Don't ever come back to the village.
You see, return back to the village. Who does that? To come and do what? No, who don't go heaven? They come back to earth. To come and do what? No, as I have gone to the city, I'll now endeavor to come back to the village. No. So only the katana eferen kwa aka we sasie ezigbo nnitinye. Ohi asa na anya, by the way they fere rubber. Mbano. Adeje nya eje no.
All you have to do is keep to the instructions, and prosperity shall be yours forever.
Hey, onye kodoro the great. Oya keji nwaye ekwu. Ataka ma afufu and then nwere muche. Onye obuna tara afufu na enwuche. Thank you. Thank you. I shall be on my way. Oh, I will not forget you. Thank you so much. Oh,
also.
Onye kodoro the great.
No.
Onye kodoro the great.
No.
Onye kodoro the great.
No.
Hey.
just noticed that we need to do some repaints, you know. This dusty places. I mean, even the flowers.
Need to get someone to come clean up for us.
Yeah. They're not watering it. It's just looking scanty.
The truth is that the boy here is doing well. At least the flowers are still.
Babe, she's not doing anything. The both of them, they are not really doing anything. Eh? Look
You
at
think
now.
so?
Flowers are
Yeah,
scanty.
they need to fill up that place, you know. The beautiful flower. Oh, sweetheart. My love. Our bundle of joy. Sugar. What are you doing? What are you writing? I love you, mommy. Come on, come here. I love you, daddy. Oh.
Come here. Love you too. We love you too.
We love you. I know that one day you will say this with your mouth. I love you, mommy. And I love you, daddy. Huh?
I see you're taking a bit of fresh air. Here you go. And now, I want you to write, Dad, I can't wait to say this to you one day.
With your mouth.
Write that. I'm coming to read it, huh?
The love of my life. You know, love is a beautiful thing. And it's more beautiful when you are with your Mr. Right.
It's more adorable when you're with your Miss Right. The only woman after my heart.
You are the man after my heart. I love you.
I love you too. You still feel pain?
So, what do you think about our earlier discussion?
Going to the village for holidays?
Yes. I feel it would be nice to at least spend our holidays in the village. It will help us to reconnect with my stepmother and my stepsisters. You know, it's been long I visited, or we visited, yes. And they're not happy that we have not visited for years now. And then my stepsisters, I heard things are not really going very well for them. So they will be happy to see us, and then we will now reconnect back. What do you think?
I'll think about that.
So you just say yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, sweetheart. Okay.
You don't want to take it with your mom?
I wonder. Come on. How do you want to do it? No. Okay, I'm here. Say cheese.
them out. Bring them out.
What is it? Can't you talk to me? Didn't you see me? Bring them out.
Madam, bring them out.
Why?
They must call Woto today.
What did they do to you?
Your daughters, for them to insult an elder in this community, they have insulted the youth of this community. We the youth.
Listen, are youth? Are you a youth? Village name a youth. Who are the youth? So then, youth. Just get away, idiot. They insulted an elder. Why don't you allow the elder to come fight for himself? I'm going to the youth. You told about youth. Coming to my house. Are you mad? No problem. You want my daughters up here?
Yes, bring them out.
No problem. Follow.
Bring them out.
My uncle said, my papa say, you got fear.
Bring them out.
Useless. No, come and fight. Because we're running for you. Are you not mad? Akbuda. She insulted me, the youth. What are you youth? Your mates have grown up children in the university. In the youth. Oh, look at what they did to us. Look at my leg. Just see. Look at what they did to us. Can you imagine? Look at what they did to me. Just look at my body. Look at my leg. Look at what they did to me. Are you serious? Yes. I fell down. What's the chai? King chai. No, what is chai? Was I not carrying you when I fell? Wasn't it because of you I fell down? You carried her? Yes, I did. She's not double chais.
But I did not injure now.
You did not enjoy. Don't you know that a wound for one is a wound for all?
That means you don't have strong bone now. You don't have strong bone.
Mama. Did you hear what this guy just said?
Don't even blame you. Don't put it on me. Don't put it on because you were carrying me.
Yes, I was carrying you.
Okay. Did I injure? Did you say any?
Because I held you.
Stop saying all this rubbish. Don't blame me. It's your fault.
Mama, she hear what she's saying. It's okay. I will not want our dirty in outside again.
Mama, look at my body nice.
Mary, that's very insensitive of you. It's okay.
Anukube.
Akini.
Anukube. How many times did I call you? Anukube. How many times did I call you?
What do you mean by how many times did you call me? Come on, go down here back. You know what idea? What is it? What do you mean by how many times did you call me? If you call that tune. Anukube, how many times did I call you? How many times do you want to call me? Huh? What is it? What is it?
I don't whine. Devil in human form.
Oh.
Yes.
That is my baptismal name. That is the name my parents gave to me. I don't whine. In spirit and human form. Do you have anything else to say?
What did you do to my boys?
Oh! That Akboda and that tiny leg boys. Are they your boys? Actually your boys? You didn't see big boys to hire, bro, half men. That Akboda should have been married by now. I don't know why he's claiming to be a youth. Is he a youth? How old are you? How old is he? I thought you thought that boy. They came to give somebody water, and the person in turn gave them water. Yes! That was what happened. What I did to them.
Anukube, so you want to kill them the way you killed your husband? Eh? Because they are discharging their duties. Is it not?
Which duties? Before you send them to my house, you should have asked questions. The way I killed your brother. I killed my husband, I did not kill your wife. So don't brag about it. Don't shout. Don't think it's a crime. I only killed my husband. Since you said I killed your brother, you should have saved your brother. Go and tell those boys not to cross my house again. Because if they do, I'll set them ablaze. And their cursed bodies will be in the grave.
Look at who is talking about curse. Eh? Listen to yourself. Who is talking about curse? When everything about you is curse, screaming curse. Eh? Look at you who is talking about curse. Show me the evidence of a cursed person living in this village, and I will show you Onukube and her useless daughters. Birds of same feathers.
My daughter's useless.
Yes.
I got dog bam kita. Mary! Icheku! Attack!
I will come back for you.
No, where are you going?
I will come back for you.
Where are you going? We have pure workers. As if our was there, idiot.
I will come back for you.
Come here, attack! Idiot! Let me care. Oh, how do poor dika do poor? Idiot. Onyala. When it comes to men, you two will come. Football.
Show me your palm. Open your own hand. You see? You see it? Your destiny shine is already reading minus. And it can only get from dark to dark until it gets to its darkest. Yes. You dug the very pit into which you are falling. You brought this calamity upon yourselves and you know it.
Onyukodoro the Great. This is not the time to apportion blame. I know I made a mistake. I take responsibility for my action. Somebody can make a mistake in the past and change later. Because nobody is above making mistakes. Come on, this is our destiny. Shine just said that is dimming. That is now going minus. Come on, if I get me a corporate big plus. Because what do we do? I'm suffering with my children. Even though I made a mistake, they are suffering with me. Especially this my small one.
Yirijo bajo uzo sinam nisiga fena. Ifo ya achoka kofuka ifo choka kefuka o. Ta! We leku. Ndundu dajwa la ndundu kafe. Ha! Ala kafe na nisika mfuna. Aku ka mra bi aku ka ga bola. Ndundu ka dala. Ala ndundu kafe. Ta!
Too much stress. When you're eating the food, is it stress? Too much stress. Keep it there for me. Okay, no. It's too much stress. When you're eating it, it's not stress. Now you can put it there for me. Find out what that man wants to buy.
200. No, you want it.
You don't bargain that one. Is it not common mineral? It's not 150. It's not 100.
No straw, not finished.
Please give me that money before diversion. I don't want it. Just give it to me.
Mama, I will give you now. Wait.
Give me the money. Ime.
See your baby.
You look your child. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. I don't know how you know. With time. How are you? Adam. Oh. No. The keys. Let me open the boot so I can bring down the things. You have the keys in the car. I've missed you guys. Mama, so funny. Mary, you will destroy that thing. Can you come down?
Okay, the boots.
Yes, I know. Yes. Oh, you will not find a guy. Hey, let them bring those things while we go inside. No. Carry this one. Bring your head.
No, baby.
They remember what? Yeah, okay. Stop now. Stop. It's too heavy for her. Stop now. It's too heavy. Enjoy her. Let's go. Let's carry. Let's go.
Hey,
It's good
you
to be
can
home.
see your car.
You have the car.
Miri. Mama,
Can you calm down? Hey. You want to
Please don't say that. Don't say that. Because
So why would I say that? When the handwriting is clearly written on the wall.
My son-in-law here, Michael, deliberately, intentionally kidnapped my stepdaughter for so many years now, all in the name of marriage.
Mama, kidnap what?
Yes! What's the difference? Oh, kidnap! Because he put a chain on your neck and dragged you away. Today, you na Dubai, you are flying to Dubai. Tomorrow, you are flying next to India. Who knows if people are not going to Kafanchan from here? For so many years, you and your husband abandoned me and this your sisters in the village. All because you got married to a rich man. That's upper class and lower class. They don't have the same. As now, why they make only here one now?
Mama.
I have brought in the same level.
Mama. Honestly, this is really funny. Look, Danukume, you don't need to say much. We are here. We are here to spend some time with you.
Exactly.
So,
I see. So now I'm the Kusikonye.
no.
Because you're not saying it's funny. Why are you Michael? Michael, you're trying to play me while you.
No.
You're clearly written.
I can't play my in-law while you now.
You're deceiving me. Maybe you have joined the enemy gang that said Onugudu and her children will not amount to anything. But I want to assure you, we disappoint our enemies. Especially this my Lion King. Mindful. Infant rebel. Why got pion them muddy fever? Oh, Messia, if we will make it. We will disappoint our enemies. I got what we want.
Mama,
And you're
okay. We are here now. Yes. And we're here to spend the entire holiday here in the village. We came prepared though. We are spending 2 weeks here with you just to make up with you. Make up everything, please. So calm down. Be coming down. I'm here now.
I want to go bribe. If you know you want to bribe me, you have to bring in water. And very fat ones.
Mama, we're here with something bigger than Uyocha and Okocha. Yes, my husband and I are prepared. And we have good plans for you and my sisters here. Yes, this period that we are here in the village, Onye Neli Ona Mechaka. Onye Neli Ona Mechaka.
By the time you go back to where you're coming from, Ayabupu said, it's like you're coming up with a bribe. But everything you're coming with, I don't care. Hey, watch and no culture must be
problem, no problem. Please don't mind my mother. That is how she is.
That's why you're laughing. Don't mind my mother. That is where she
But
talks.
I'm actually happy to see all of you.
Wherever you bring out these gifts from, my chi will replenish you in 1,000 folds.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, at least my brother must be happy wherever he is now. That I gave out his only daughter to a worthy son-in-law like you.
You can say that again.
Yes. Not those one that gives me a day in, day out. You see, when your father-in-law, my late brother, brought in Onukube as a second wife, was thinking of bringing in peace and long life, not knowing that he's inviting himself to his death.
Life goes on. Let's not go back to the past.
I won't borrow one name. Hey, the death that killed my brother, it shall never be well with you.
May his soul rest in peace.
Excuse me. Okwego, do you have my money now? You called me the other day that I should give you more time to pay back. Yes, you know I don't joke with money. If by the end of today I don't see that money, just consider you and your wife sold out to recover my money. Yes. Ekuchagum, I've said mine. Nonsense. People don't understand how you suffer to make money in this country.
So you're ready to sell the family because of money?
Of course, what will I have done to recover my money? I don't joke with money. You know it. Ha.
Okay, I have to run along. I just wanted to stop by to know what's going on.
Oh, DUMELO.
So, I'll come next time.
DUMELO. Thank you.
My wife couldn't maybe come indoors. Before we try to.
Okay. I'm going to go there. Bien, come.
Whatever they have acquired in the city, you shall take over.
He said,
remain in the city while they come back to the village, where they wallow in poverty and want until they die.
he said, hey.
Just remain in the city. Don't ever come back to the village.
You see, return back to the village. Who does that? To come and do what? No, who don't go heaven? They come back to earth. To come and do what? No, as I have gone to the city, I'll now endeavor to come back to the village. No. So only the katana eferen kwa aka we sasie ezigbo nnitinye. Oh, here, son, Anya, by the way, they feel rubber. Mbano. I didn't Jenna.
All you have to do is keep to the instructions, and prosperity shall be yours forever.
Hey! When you call the great, I can't you why you attack a man for fun, then with a mooche. On your bonatarafu muche. Thank you. Thank you. I shall be on my way. Oh? I will not forget you. Thank you so much.
Hello. Also?
On you call the great.
No.
On you call the great.
No.
On you call the great.
No. Awesome. I know. Yes.
So, Mama, that is it. Oh, I was always so.
I don't know whether one of the think this thing within my mind.
What is it?
What's in your mind?
You know, say when you call Doro talk, say our destiny don't finish. Say you don't read minus.
So what are you?
Okay, should we talk say we fit swap him? Go fit swap him. If you see person way in destiny still they shine, go swap him. Now what's in the talk now?
So are you saying?
Yes, now what's in the talk? You know, see them date and we too we date. So no swap him.
So how will you do that?
We go fight them now.
Huh?
I in prayer. We go fight them.
So if fight should come now, will you fight?
My that's you know. I don't say na my size they look make I tell you. No be say because I they always they come for you. I they fight people. Okay, bring fight for me and Choku. This Choku where they and Choku bring fight. I go beat blue and black come for. I go throw them for anywhere where I know. I go fight though.
Eh? If let's say you don't dey mad. No, you don't dey craze.
I'm done. I come down fight never reach. You go settle am that time. Mama,
so fight. Me too, will I fight?
Now you go fight. You know strong. Okay, even if you know if you fight, I go fight for you. You just do this thing. Me, I don't get tired though.
How long is this fight though? I don't know about it.
We feel one now, Fit. I go fight for you.
Mama, she has a point of.
Let's run it.
Take this. Add this substance to the food you serve them. Mix it properly. Once they eat the food, it is done. It is all over. They will remain in the village and refuse to go back to the city, while you will go to the city and not come back to the village, because your destinies will be swapped. You will possess all their possessions. You will become very rich. Very, very rich. In fact, wealthy beyond your wildest expectations. They will be under you, for you will command them. Whatever you tell them, they must do. You shall control them the way you control your television with a remote.
Only God the great.
Awesome.
Just like that? Hey! Oh my God, no. Thank you very much. We shall be on our way.
I shall do as you have said.
People are welcome to the house.
Thank you, Mama.
This is our Tachiri home. Eh? And you, yes, and you're marrying your wife well.
Of course, it's all I got. And my beautiful daughter here.
She's indeed beautiful.
Yeah. It's never a bad idea coming here to spend the holidays.
So that you can eat homemade food.
Mama really wants to finish us with food. You want us to grow fast before leaving this village?
You're not leaving this village. You have come to stay. Carrying the water.
Yes, sisters, I've missed them. I've missed my first food.
Bongonga food has come. Eat.
Hey.
This is homemade.
Oh, yes.
I told you that Mama can cook.
Mama's
yes.
Tell her to wash her hand now.
She said.
Oh. Yeah, that's true.
Father, Son,
there is no need for long prayers.
Amen.
Eat food.
Mama, you can cook.
Sister, what's with the excitement? Sister, I met him. Who? Sister Nina's husband. I saw him down the road. He was giving people gifts. So I went there to collect my own.
It's a lie.
So he gave you this?
Yes.
Hey! Aku.
Sister.
Hey! May God in his infinite mercy continue to bless and protect that man.
Amen.
I told you. Did I not? I told you that that man has a heart of gold. A very good man. Hey!
Sister, don't forget, I saw Mary with Jacob. They were asking me who gave me the audacity to pass the same road. So I now asked them for what?
Excuse me? Hope they didn't touch you.
They won't even dare.
Those girls are daring me. They are daring me. They don't know that I have things in stock for them. They don't know. You see this thing I have here?
That's my sister.
Feel it. What can you feel?
Muscle.
By the time they enter my trap, by the time they enter this trap that I have been setting for them, only God in heaven knows what I will do to them. Now, I hear Marco Habue, Yetin Kako,
very well.
On them what I'll wear, Aqua Nyanku Koli, Nkuli, or some Marco.
Don't let them spoil our vibe, so don't worry yourself about them. Just forget about them. Let's just continue to enjoy our goodies.
Go and check this soup. Leave this soup. Let me continue with it. Okay. If you check it, if it has boiled well, then you put the water for curry on fire.
Okay.
So we have indomie to eat.
Honestly.
Hey! Uncle, my God, we continue to bless you.
Hand me the car keys.
My car key?
Kneel down.
Pardon?
I said kneel down. Close your eyes and raise your hands.
I don't understand, honestly.
Honey, what's going on here? Go that side. Join your husband.
I don't know, Mama. Just came in now. Mama said I should give her my car key, which I just did. And then she told me to kneel down. I really don't get it.
Mama, honey, I told you. I told you that my mother here is a comedian. It was a prank.
Oh. Can you imagine?
And you two nearly fell for it.
I swear that I nearly did that.
It will never change. It will never change.
Well, you nearly got me. You kneel down.
You almost knelt down, right?
I'm trying to wrap my head around it.
Oh no! You nearly fell to it. It's a prank. It's okay. Go back to
welcome. How was your movement?
Yeah, I just went to top up.
There are 3 of them. 1 I can see. 2 I can see. But the 3rd one I cannot see. The 3rd one is the problem. You cannot see what I see. The 3rd one is the problem.
Uncle Mike. Good afternoon. Fine. When did you come back?
Not quite long.
Oh,
welcome. Okay.
For me?
And here is yours. Okay.
Hey. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you for what? What is this?
Nice weekend, sorry.
Ako. This is the white man's money. You see this money? If you change it, it will give you 75,000 naira.
You are lying.
Hey, this is one head that is better than 2 heads. Hey!
Sister, you are lying. Why would one money give you 75,000? How is it possible?
The truth. Don't worry, we will go and change it. Bring it. Let me hold for you.
75,000?
Yes.
For one money?
Let me hold it for you.
Sister, one money 75,000.
I could bring. You know, you won't know where to change it.
Shebi, I told you. I will follow you to the city.
I know.
Come, let's follow him for more.
No, come. Wait. Later we will go to his house. For now, bring this one. Let me hold it.
No, I can't give you my money.
No problem.
Sister, come. I will follow you to your house.
If you don't, I'm not sure you can. Give me. Let me change it for you.
Don't worry, I want my money. We came here together.
You will.
What? Since when? Since when did you start nurturing hate on your mind? Because I corrected you?
What is going on here?
Can you imagine? Your daughter is already nurturing hate. She hates Down Nukube. For what reason? At this tender age? My friend, will you come back from here? I'm talking to you and you're walking out. Because I corrected you. Start writing. Take this from me. Why did you do that? Start writing the reason you did what you did in there. What was that for? Why would you throw a food down Nukube prepared for us?
Honey, please. You're screaming at her. Please stop.
I'm screaming at her.
Please, honey, calm down.
I'm screaming at her for correcting her. Why would she do that? Do you know you're spoiling this girl? Are you aware you're spoiling this girl? She did this before and she did it again.
Honey, I told you I will find out why she did what she did. Why are you screaming? Why? Please calm down. She's my daughter, you know.
No, she's my son, you know. Very awkward attitude.
have it. Yes, I do. Look at it here. On your call, already great. You know, I just wanted to make the work easier for you. You know, you told me you do not have a clear picture of the girl. You don't know what she looks like. So in order to make the work easier for you and help you, I decided to take a snapshot of the girl so that you can see her. This is it. Give it all one. I say me ngwangwa me arodachi. Onye gboro si me gene susu be yoko. Look at the picture.
Let me see.
Then Anna.
Hey! Mama! What is this? Woman! What have you done? What have you done? Get out of here! Go! Get out!
No down.
Go! Come back! Go! Come back here! Come back here! Go take it! Go take it up! Remove it! Pick it up! Pick it up! Pick it up! Go! Get out of here! Get out! Get out! Go! Hey! Ha!
What is it?
I had a dream. In that dream, we were picking snails.
Snails?
Yes.
Baby, we don't eat snails, so...
Yes. It's something I said to myself. But it gets me worried.
Come on, you don't need to be worried. It's just a dream. Okay?
Sure?
Yeah, sure. So I was thinking of going to see your uncle. Just thought I should let you know.
I want you to understand that your dad and mom loves you so much. Yes.
It's just that Dad feels it's wrong for you to start hating on people at this tender age. Not even that Onoko, but the woman that raised your mom. My love, my baby is already tired with the village, right? She wants to go back to the city to play with her friends. Sometime cool. I'm right. Okay, let me make you a promise. Our holiday in this village will soon be over. And we will all go back to the city. I promise you. Come on, my darling. Don't worry. Mommy's love. Don't worry, we'll go back, okay? I promise you. Promise you. Promise you. Promise you.
What are we going to do? Are we going to just sit down and miss this opportunity? Are we going to wait until they return back to the city?
So what do we do now?
I suggest we go see the native doctor.
Ha! Again?
Yes, again. Mama has been going there without any meaningful success. Let us go and see him. Maybe he will see reasons with us and tell us what to do to end all this. We have to act fast before they leave this village. Else there's nothing we can do about it.
I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. Oh yes.
You see,
yes.
Your generosity and your large heart is everywhere. Hold on to whatever you are doing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You said you'll be traveling back to the city in 3 days' time.
Oh yes. We've stayed enough. Work is calling.
More than enough.
Exactly.
But stay out of the sight of that evil woman, Onukube.
I don't really understand why everyone is calling the woman evil. I've not seen anything negative about her.
It's because you are blinded from seeing so. That woman killed my only brother. I let husband in a man.
But there was no proof.
What other proof do you want? The woman that married 2 men before she get married to my brother. Yes, the 2 men died mysteriously. I want my brother Naman to stay away from this woman, and the cause is following her and her family. But she dived into it instead. Now what happened? A full-blooded man just died like that. He slept and he didn't wake up.
Well, we'll leave everything to go. It's quite mysterious, but what can we do? What can we do? So, Uncle, I said to come and see you.
How do you know the secrets to my happiness? When you give them money, everything is settled. You can beat me, slap me, kick me like football. Talk to me anyhow. But once you give me money, everything is settled. I don't have money, but
I'll send a message across maybe in the next 1 month or 2 months, okay?
Okay. Drive safely.
My wife sends her regards.
Thank you. Drive safely.
Traveling today, and yet you left this house to go and see that useless boy I've asked you to stop seeing.
Sister, I love you.
Oh, shut up! What do you know about love? What? Tell me one good thing you know about love.
Just stay by Holy Ghost movement.
Tell me. I am your elder sister.
Just stay by Holy Ghost
I have
movement.
seen things and I know things more than you do. When I speak, you listen to me. What is wrong with you? What do you see in that boy? You think he loves you? What? You think he loves you? Listen, Apple. Men are not what they seem to be. They are not. The reason that boy is still close to you, the reason he still pretends to love you is because he doesn't have 1 naira. When he makes it in life, when he sees money, you will see his real color. But Emeka is different. Oh, please shut up. None of them is different. They are all the same. All of them are the same. I don't like this attitude. I don't like this character of yours. Huh? I do not want you to be deceived. Listen, I know you are old enough to do whatever it is you want. But I want the best for you. I want you to have the best. And that guy is not anywhere close to being the best for you. Please. Just respect yourself. Focus on the work. Just respect yourself. Focus on the work you are learning. Perfect it. And let's see how we will make our parents proud. You know you are the only one I have. Huh? It's okay.
long as the little girl remains with her family and bonded with her parents, your efforts against the family shall continue to prove futile.
Okay. Only Kodora. So what should we do now? Should we kill her?
No one born of woman can take her life, except her she consents to it. Take her away, far away from her family. Only then can your efforts begin to yield fruits.
go day, you no go see anything again. That your vision, now you go end. Please just be practice work. You don't know where Jesus is. When you go meet and go you see vision.
They show yourself anyhow. Small to you go the top. Five.
I'm going to see light down your eyes. When you see anything.
You talk now. Talk. Open this your mouth. Talk with this your mouth.
You know the talk. The eye what they give you, maybe you use control yourself. You use and they scatter plan for another person.
They take and they do aproko.
No make me change that for you. Then you make that vision clear. Who you don't know how you can take control.
Nobody will come out for you. Business girl.
Do you like the food? Is the food delicious? It's very, 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 very delicious. Very, 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 very delicious.
Give it to me now.
It's just to write the last plot of land.
As if I gave you this thing to write. Now. Give it to me, Biko. I'll give it here. What is the meaning of this? Is this all you have? No, I mean, if you were home and abroad. All.
I did not know you said I should include the abroad. Though.
You're very stupid. No. You okay, that means exclude everything now. You don't know? So you wrote only home and excluded abroad. Eh? What am I going to do with the home? It seems I'm going to change my mind about helping this idiot.
Please don't change your mind.
Because I hate it when I'm trying to help a poor person and the person does not want to help him or herself.
No, please don't change your mind.
Why? We are not ready.
Yes, we are ready. Very ready.
Why were you not ready earlier?
We are ready, honey.
So what do you want me to write
Put
now?
the house in Paris.
Stupid. Okay, you're stupid.
The Paris house. Paris, yes. Put that house.
Paris.
They have things. They don't want to declare their assets.
No one in
Benin Republic.
No, Accra.
Okay, yeah. Sorry.
Let's go.
Action.
Another one.
Accra.
Yes, the one in Accra. Right, that one. Ghana.
Accra, Labadi, Labadi.
Don't forget the one in Benin Republic.
But we'll give it to church.
They can give it back to them. They can take it back from the church.
We gave church this property, except you take it back.
Take it.
So you didn't collect it? Okay, like God punish you, idiot.
Benin Republic, close to Komasava. Signature. Signed by me. This is it.
I know you have more than one bank account. And here they are not stated.
You did not give me the pin to this ATM.
That could go the pin, I brought the main pin, I brought pin kind of. What about the other banks? What are their debit cards?
There's DOM account. Read very well, you see it now. I wrote my DOM account there.
So how much is in this account?
You said it told me, I don't know. But there is money inside.
Plenty money.
Loco, write the pin. Write the pin.
It's my wife's birthday.
Write it. Did I give it to your wife? Can't get my wife's birthday or qualification.
Are we supposed to know?
1991. I'm gonna sign it again.
I don't know if you're in Akabu here there. I don't know.
No, it's signature. I'm signing it.
You can give me. Give me. Let's check.
Alexandra.
It's not Alexandra. Where did you say Alexandra? It's Abuja.
Can you come down? Let her talk.
This is Alexandra. It's coming Abuja, Alexandra.
Why are you calling her Olodo?
Abuja.
Let me see.
Alexandra.
You want me to ask you to kneel down now? You are calling her Olodo.
But this is not Alexandra now. This is Abuja now.
It's Abuja now. Did I say anything?
But you said Alexandra.
Mama. Abuja.
She make me angry now. You kneel down for calling her Olodo.
Wait, what do you want to do?
I want to drive.
No, I beg, no, just tell me that thing.
Let me drive. Mama, enter. Let me drive you.
I don't understand.
Mama, enter, let me drive you now.
No, what do you mean talk so I want to drive, Mama?
Drive who? Who do you want to drive? No, when you buy that small one that is your size, toy car, you can drive. How can you see beyond this steering if you climb here?
I will drive. When I tell me say I go drive, that's not what they talk and say I want to drive. When I come to say I go drive.
Drive who? Who you want to drive? You want to kill me before
Hey! You want to drive me? I won't come. I don't understand. Who do you want to drive? Please, go enter, let's go.
Mama, let me just reverse it for you.
Reverse who?
The car.
When you buy your own, you reverse. You don't reverse another person's car. This one belongs to me.
Mama? Are you people going out?
No, we are coming in.
No, because it's obvious maybe you're going to church or you're going out or you want to come in. But any of that, anyone is fine.
It's obvious people are going out. This boy, it's obvious people are going out. It's obvious we are coming in. Maybe only kekisi ekume. Anyway, in your interest, we are relocating to the city.
City?
Yes. Where we rightfully belong. You two are staying here. You see this entire house? It belongs to you and your husband.
Mama. Thank you. My wife, man, all this house is for us. Thank you.
Mama, thank you.
No, we belong to the city. Thank you. We are going to the city. She's good. Call it at the car. Why you're identifying with these people?
Mama, thank you very much for a good question. It's one man. When you're getting there, look, you go.
City is where 50 people.
No.
What are you doing there?
I want to reverse the car for you now.
Come down and try slap your face. Why are you wasting my time?
Sorry.
I'll buy bread when coming.
Will I buy bread? I'll not just buy bread. Add mangala to it. I know you used to like stuff like that. I'll add it to it.
You're going to stop PJ.
Oh my hair, I like it. Mama, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, Pedro.
Can you go and take what Jim up?
Bye-bye, no.
happening now?
I don't know now. Did I do anything? Was I not on motion?
What can I?
The boot. Which boot? I don't even know where to open it. Never. I would have asked that stupid boy.
What happened now?
I don't know.
Let's drive this car. Let's drive. No time.
So where do you want to drive to? The car is stopped on its own. You see me driving and it stopped on its own. Which bonnet are you opening? We can't open it from here now.
This is why I said let me drive this car. That time you refused. Now see. Where did you press one?
If I slap this girl,
her mouth is running. That is the thing that is giving me a headache. Mama. Go and push.
Let's push the car. Let's push.
So both of you should push. Let me enter.
Look at this idiot. No why they come like this. I'll be pushing you. Go to the back and push.
You have more strength. Push so that we'll be driving it.
I'll kill this girl. I'll kill you. No, come and say I'll be pushing you. I'll push you into the gutter.
I enter now. Let's push you now.
Time.
Push.
Yeah, push. Push. We need to leave here.
Mama, the car is heavy. The car is heavy.
Push now.
No. We need to leave here.
No, maybe I'll come my motor bug in this so that we'll leave here. Can't you see the car we are stuck?
Mama, what did you press?
I did not press anything.
No,
I was driving.
I know. I said this thing. Let me drive. You have pressed something now.
Because a house divided cannot stand. Open a main road that I can make a bond.
This motor self, everything just dey full for here. Which kind engine be this one self?
Be careful with what you are touching there. I don't understand.
Na pigeon they do well. If na pigeon na one hand, don't do am. This one make I just try my luck. No what I go fit do. Oh yeah, because this wire full for everyone. I don't even know the one where I go touch.
I just want you to help us. You are stranded.
What is this one now?
What did you touch?
I never touch anything. Now here I dey touch now.
You touch it and it exploded like that. Did you hear it? Gua! Please don't burn this car. Don't burn this my car. I bought it very expensive.
Madam, na place I dey go you call me say make I come help you. If you no make I help you, tell make I waka dey go. What is this one now?
Sorry. Just be careful with what you're touching. That's what I mean.
No dey shout for me. Person no dey shout for me. What in now? I dey try help you. They come dey do.
Okay, sorry now. Touch now. Be careful with what you're touching.
This motor self.
You get out. Oh, you know for What's wrong with the car? What just happened, Mama?
It's okay, Joe Munjo. No, baby. Why are you asking me that? Did I put fire on the car? Can't you see we were trying to rectify what the problem was and the thing caught fire? Imagine what is wrong with the car.
No, Mama, this is not ordinary.
Okay.
This is how can a fine car like this just develop fault like that? This is our enemies. They are planning to thwart out our plans of going to the city.
No, man, Lerofa.
Go to the city today. We must.
Wham.
By fire, by force.
Yes. Where is that man that was trying to help us rectify the problem in the car? Did you see the direction he ran to?
That man that disappeared. I did not see him. I just saw his back running like an antelope. I did not even see his front.
Do you blame him? You see, any any power that wants to thwart our movement to the city, Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Go Mike and Anina. Nothing will happen. Let's go to the city.
We can go check.
Go and check. Oh. If you see it burning, just jump. Yeah? Be careful. Don't go there and trying to be doing tatafo. Just check and come.
Mary, is this still burning?
Wait, no. Check me. Come on, it's no more burning. Let's go.
We can go ahead.
Hello.
Okay. Your daughter's here now. I'm multi-millionaire.
Multi-millionaires.
Oh, this is not going to talk. It's too long.
Talk anyhow.
Okay. We can talk. You know that fat belly? That one will get fat belly. You can ask me, Madam, are you okay? I said, yes, I'm okay. He asked again, are you sure you are okay? I said, He said, you are sweating. Is it your sweat, Oga? Oga, now your sweat? Now you're okay? I said, I'm fine. See me swallow. I said, whenever I see 100K for the first time, I can't see 10 million naira of my account. What do you want me to do?
You go rain, my sister.
Hey, not be small. I go rain, no.
In fact, yes, so come maybe.
I'm telling you. Mama, come they ask me, are you okay? Wait, you want make a day okay for top 10 million?
10 million.
You know be better person now. Mama, the one that even baffles me most is how somebody can get access to someone else's account. Without the PIN.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Technology now. Advanced technology.
Hey! Because I forgot the PIN. So that guy there, the guy they brought to us, he's a computer wizard. He needed to see the way he was operating everything. To see the way his hand was like. Oh, one thing there is that he's so greedy.
Midi, don't talk like that. This is city. That does not matter. What matters is that he took his chickeny own and gave us the lion's share. Lion's share that we took the highest money. We should be content with that one.
Another thing that matters is we are now millionaires. We are now what?
Millionaires.
Mama, come to think of it, I think it's high time we started our own investments. Yes. Since we are finding it difficult to have access to his businesses, let's start something for ourselves.
Oh my wow. In the meantime, our name shall be called Ministers of Enjoyment.
Enjoyment,
Let us enjoy small.
Yes.
Before we start thinking about investment or no investment, can you better start off our get that?
Go to that, what did he call that thing again? Alexander, no, it's agenda. Benga. I said agenda.
Abuja.
Abuja, my dear.
Abuja. Opo.
Mama, we'll go to Abuja. We'll go to Benin Republic.
We'll go to France.
We'll go to France. We'll go to
Benin Republic.
Okay, Benin Republic. Yes, Benin. Yeah.
So it is now that you decided to bring this water?
Yes, it's now.
Take it to the backyard and offload it. Yes, baby. I won't be too long. All right. How much is the money again?
500 naira.
Hey! Bye-bye, yo.
Amazing. Like, beautiful. You look hot. Hey! Mama, fashion.
Yes, sir.
Good guys. Oh, no. Okay, mommy, we're ready. Okay. Do you want us to get something for you? Yes. You know, I don't want clothing anymore. At this point of my life, I want to enjoy all the jewelries I can afford. Get me gold and a tint of diamond. I'll be fine. Okay. Gold and diamonds, right?
That's you. Curse the task.
Okay, can we go now? Yes, I love you too. We love you. After you. Life is sweet when spent well.
Nancy,
Sister,
where are you going?
I'm going to see a friend.
Have you fetched the water?
I paid Michael and his wife to do that already.
What did you just say?
I said I paid Michael and his wife to fetch the water.
You paid Michael and his wife to fetch water for you?
Yes.
How could you? Why are you using these people's misfortune against them? Why?
Sister, how am I using their misfortune against them? How?
Are you asking me that question? No. Are you asking me? Are you supposed to be sending them on an errand, knowing full well that they are under a spell casted on them by Nina's stepmother? You have the guts to send them on an errand.
Sister, please. It's a two different thing. I did not send them on an errand. I only patronize their business.
You only patronize their business. Where is your conscience? Fine. How much did you pay them?
I paid them 500 and of course they were happy.
500 what? You gave them 500 naira to fetch water for you? Nancy, people that shade 2,000 cartons of noodles in this community. 2,000 cartons of noodles you and I know is worth 6 million naira. And you have the mind, the conscience to pay them 500 naira to fetch water for you.
Stop making me look as if I'm guilty.
I am not making you look as if you're guilty because you are guilty. Oh yes, you are. Paying people to fetch water for you for 500 naira. What has come over you?
So, what would you have me do? To dash them the 500 naira or what?
Yes.
Okay, sister. I am beginning to understand you. Okay, so you expected me to dash them 500 naira?
Yes.
Just like that?
Yes.
Okay, so who will fetch the water?
You, of course. Can't you fetch water?
No, I can't.
Why can't you fetch water?
I cannot fetch water.
And why is that? Is your legs and hand broken? Why can't you fetch water? No, I'm asking you, as the madam of the house. You should stay so that I will go and fetch water for you.
What is the problem? Eh? I paid some other people to get water for us. Is that your problem? If that is your problem, then that's your business, not mine.
Nancy, I am still your elder sister. I am not going to tolerate you talking to me like that. You've changed. You are no longer my younger sister I used to know. Since our parents died and since you entered that school of yours, you've changed totally. This is not you. You are becoming so rude, disrespectful, and I'm not going to take that from you, never.
I should have helped them because our father was Dangote. He left millions for us before he died. Sister, please, if you don't have any other thing to say, just let me know. I have somewhere going.
Oh, so now you want to walk out on me. You can go.
Without pleasure.
Nancy! What is wrong with this girl? Why has she changed so much?
You will come back and meet me in this house.
said this world is in balance. They are not wrong. I can't imagine what my sister was vomiting out of her mouth simply because Michael and the wife fell into temptation. How would she send them to fetch water for her? How? The same people she was praising not quite long turned to her mates simply because they fell into temptation. How? Children of nowadays, we don't put anything into consideration. We lack everything. One should always pray for temptation not to come. Because when temptation comes, it will seem as if the whole world is coming to an end. Onye no n'ụwa biko yọbachi ka ọnwụnwa bịara gị. Ị na-azụ ahịa biko yọbachi ọnwụnwa bịara gị. Ị nwere ego biko yọbachi ka ọnwụnwa bịara gị. Ọnwụnwa bịa dịka ụwa gwụla, ọnwụnwa dịghị mma. Onye nọ n'ụwa biko yọbachi ka ọnwụnwa bịara gị. Ị nwere ego biko yọbachi ka ọnwụnwa bịara gị.
Ruby,
biko.
Ruby, why are you crying? Why the tears? What happened?
Please, just get the seat.
Okay. Ruby, honestly, I don't like your mood. I see it. I don't like your mood, honestly. Talk to me. What happened?
Gladys, my heart's broken, Gladys. Sorry. I'm so devastated.
Sorry, it's okay. What happened? Why are you devastated?
My sister. Nancy, my sister, has changed. She's something else.
What happened? I still don't get.
Do you remember Michael and his wife?
Michael, Nina's husband?
Yes. Do you believe Nancy, my sister, had the guts to send them on an errand?
I still don't get. Send them on an errand? How?
She sent them to fetch water for her. And she paid them 500 naira to fetch water for her.
Pay them what? No, now. Why would Nancy do such a thing? She knows too well that those people are not doing things with their right senses.
Even if they do things with their right senses, that woman is old enough to be her mother. Was that woman not up to my mother's age before my mother passed? Why would Nancy send them on an errand?
Ruby, you need to talk to her. Yes, you just have to talk to her.
And you think I've not tried? Of course I've tried, but she's not ready to listen. But you see, this time around, I will give it to her anyhow she wants it. Anyhow she wants it, I will give it to her.
Ruby, you need to calm down your nerves. She's still a child.
Small girl, you say. Oh, please stop. I am just 2 years older than her. So please don't give me this small girl bullshit. If Nancy does not change, I will deal with her in this house. And I will show her that I am her elder. And I graduated 2 years before she even thought of getting admission. This house will not contain the both of us if she doesn't change. I sent my sister when I was going out that she should fetch water for us to use. But what did she do? She went and paid a man, a rich man, who she knows can buy her entire life, to fetch water for her. And she paid them 500 naira. I am not going to take that from her. It is either she change or, in fact, it's either she kill me in this house or I kill her.
It's okay.
Please. Don't tell me that's the reason why you were crying. Stop crying. Sorry.
You don't understand.
Sorry.
You don't understand. My dear, I have to stop here. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. I believe you didn't forget what I told you.
Oh, special advice. I heard you that I should not be hard on Nancy.
Exactly. I believe she will get back to her senses.
I hope so. I hope she changes.
Yes, she is.
Do you know where she's coming from?
No.
See who we have here. Gladys, good afternoon.
Gladys, good afternoon. Afternoon, Nancy. How are you doing? I was in your house a while ago. Where did you go to?
I went to my boyfriend's house, Ekwinife.
Did you know that you are very, very stupid? You are senseless. You don't have sense. Ewu can't be here. Anumpama or Chakomaka, that's what you are. The same person I warned you to stay away from. He's the same person you're proudly saying in my presence that you went to see. You don't have sense.
Ruby, there is something I need to understand here and now. What exactly is your role in my life? Do not keep me quiet. Answer me. What is your role in my life?
Please, Nancy. You're asking her role in your life. Well, I will tell you. Her role in your life is to take good care of you. Hence, after your parents' demise.
Then open your breast, let me suck. Now listen and listen very good. You should take care of yourself, not me. I am an adult, old enough to do what I want. And today should be the very first time you will ever ask me to stay away from my boyfriend. Do not try it again. Today should be the very last time you will ever ask me to stay away from my boyfriend. Do not try that again. Did you hear me? Rubbish. Gladys, you're my witness, right?
Did you just see what happened?
I am a bit confused right now. I don't know what to say.
Are you sure this guy is not luring my sister into smoking? Are you sure he has not lured her already?
See, Ruby, she's your younger sister, and you know how to handle her. Please.
Do you know where she's rushing to? To go and eat food. The same food she refused to cook. Are you seeing what I'm going through? Are you seeing it?
Please, just take it easy on her and let me go back to the house. I will see you later. Enokwa. Hey! Something else.
to eat the food I left in the
Were you blind to not to see a dirty plate there?
Are you asking me that stupid question? Are you asking me that? When I told you to cook the food, what did you do?
I told you I was going out.
Oh, you told me you were going out. As the queen that you are. If I had gone out the same way you did, will you meet food to eat? I'm asking you. Come on, answer me, your sister. Are you stupid?
Give me back my phone.
Are you stupid? You're
Give
mad.
me my
You're
phone.
mad. You're crazy.
Give me my
Is
phone,
it because
Ruby.
I've been keeping you quiet?
Hey.
I am your elder sister, and I deserve some respect.
Ruby, give me back my phone.
I'm not giving you this phone. Come on, give me the phone. Give me.
Give me back my phone.
Okay. Go and take your phone. Yes, I threw it away. And I'll do that over and over again.
My phone.
Yes, your phone.
Ruby, my phone.
What will you do? What will you do? Give it. I will kill you. I will kill you. I will kill you. Give my phone. Give my phone. I will kill you.
What is it now? Okay. What's your problem?
Ruby.
She's your elder sister, for God's sake. Sister, my foot. Elder sister who is oppressing her younger sister. Elder sister who do not want my progress.
I am oppressing you, right?
Tell her to give me back my phone. Else there will be war.
I'm not giving you the phone. I'm not giving you the phone.
You're not giving me my phone.
Yes.
You give me my phone. You're not giving me my phone.
How am I supposed to know?
How are you supposed to know?
Yes.
Did you see the rubbish
How am I
that's coming out
supposed
from
to
her
know?
mouth? Did you see the rubbish that's coming out from her mouth? She threw my phone that I bought with my hand money. My phone.
This quarreling will not solve this problem.
I will kill you and throw you away just like your phone.
Ruby, my phone.
I will kill you and throw your phone.
You are the elder and I'll be Ruby. Come on there.
I don't want to kill you like Mama and Papa. Mama and Papa are dead. I don't want to kill you. Don't want to kill you. I want to kill you.
I want to stop this baby.
Ruby, in this house, if you don't change, this house, I will kill you. Open this door! Nancy! Open this door now! I
door.
Hey, God. Nancy, I will break this door down. Open this door, my friend.
Break the door and I will break your head.
Hey, Nancy, you are looking for my trouble. Before the count of 3, open this door. Open this door, 1.
Ruby 2, I will not open this door. Do your worst.
Hey, if you know that you are woman enough, open this door and come and tell me to my face.
Ruby.
Come and tell me to my face.
Ruby, I am not woman enough, but yet I lock you outside.
I
will not open the door.
I'm going to break this door down. I will break it down, oh.
Break the door and I will break your head.
I will break it down, oh. Oh, you will break my head.
Yes, sir.
Open this door, my friend, stupid girl, mad girl. Onyala. Open it.
The one that is mad, keep barking like a dog. I will not open the door. I will not open the door.
Ruby, what is it again?
Are you seeing it?
You sound so strange on phone.
Are you seeing it? I called you because Nancy has said it again. Tell her to open this door, or else I will break it down and she will fix it with her money. Open this door.
Ruby, if you break this door, I will break your head.
Nancy, why? What is the problem again? Why will you lock your sister outside?
Gladys, tell your friend to provide my phone, else she will sleep outside today. There is no 2 ways about it.
Ruby, are you with her phone?
I'm not with her phone, no. I'm not with her phone. She's just mad.
Nancy, open this door first.
I will not.
But you hate that. She said she's done with your phone. Open the door.
She's a liar. Tell her to provide my phone.
I will kill somebody. I will kill somebody.
Nancy, if you don't provide my phone, this house will not contain
I am Nancy. I'm only keeping you quiet because.
This house will not contain me and you will not
Nancy! Okay. I've come to see your face. This house will not contain us. Unless you will not open it up. Because if you do, don't carry that up. Don't worry.
Nancy, just calm down, okay? Just
I'm calm.
Relax, just
I'm
relax.
calm.
Let me talk to
Tell
her.
her to calm down. Let her bark like a dog. She's a dog.
Nancy, she's your sister, for goodness sake. Open this door.
I will not.
Okay. Just come out and tell me to my face that I'm a dog.
Of course.
That's all I want. Okay, come out and tell me now.
Nancy,
come out and tell me.
Nancy,
come out and tell me now.
Nancy.
Gladys, tell her to provide my phone.
Open the door first. Just open the door, please.
She's mad.
Open the door, please. I'm begging you. Open this door.
In fact, my sister is mad. Obviously, she's mad. She's mad.
Practically, you are mad.
Nancy!
You are mad.
I wish.
Phone.
Do you know that you're talking to your elder sister?
Elder sister, my food.
I wish she can just open this door and come out to tell me these things.
Just wait.
Can't go to Yatori. Don't worry.
People relax. Nancy,
Gladys,
please just
mad
open
dog.
the door, yeah?
Tell her to provide my
Bikonu,
phone.
I'm begging you. Open this door.
Tell her to provide my phone.
But she said she's not with your phone.
Don't mind her. She's just lying.
I will break it though.
Break it and
I will break it though. No. I will break it though.
Just relax.
I've had enough. I will break it though. I will break it though.
Just calm down. Please, Biko. Nancy, Biko, open the door. Open the door.
I'll break it though.
These doors are expensive. Open the door.
I don't want to have the kind of boyfriend you have.
You can never have
I don't want to have the kind of boyfriend you have.
Nancy.
I'm better like this.
Get to you. Nobody will say hello. Hi. Shame to you.
Nancy!
Michael, are you watcher? Michael! Where is that brainless young man? Michael, are you watcher? Come outside. No, I am there. I am not here. Oh, you watcher, where is my money? Where is the money you borrowed from me for the past 4 months now?
Not Michael Owojo. My name is Michael Owoma. Stop calling my name.
What is Uwoma doing in your name, for God's sake? What is Uwoma doing in your name when everything about you is Wojo? Ojo.
Stop this thing already. Why are you calling me Michael Owojo now?
Listen to me. I stated it to you categorically that I am not kind of money lender that lend money to someone without sticking to agreement. Is it not? I am a businessman. I love money a lot.
You bad.
Shut out your mouth. Shut out your mouth. Who is this one? You don't talk while I'm talking. Shut that your mouth. I thought they said that when a child without father and mother used to have their brain intact. Where's your own?
My Stop insulting my wife now. We will give you the money back.
Look at you! Ever since you came back from the city to settle with your in-law, you refuse to heed to someone's advice. Now, look at you. You even Shishi you cannot save.
Look at me, what? Did I tell you anything? It's holidays that we came. We are still having holidays.
Okay, you're still having holiday. No problem. Listen to me, let me tell you. If I'm here tomorrow and that money is not ready, I will not only beat you up, or I will send my boys to tie you and your wife up at the village market square to sell you off to recover my money. That will be the case. I'm more here. Nonsense.
I told you to hold on. We'll give you the money back.
We'll give you the money, oh? We'll give you the money.
Sorry, I don't mean to intrude, but then my mind could not be at peace to watch a man who helped I and my sister suffer this way. All of a sudden, you and your wife decide not to go back to the city and you are in this village suffering. This is not ordinary. I think that Onukube is behind this. That woman is evil. Brother, I'm sorry. Have I said anything wrong? Are you sure?
Let me get you cola.
You poured me water because I came to tell you the truth.
Are you still standing there?
Let me bring my own cola. I'm coming.
Are you going? Where are you going?
Where is she?
Why are you running?
Bastard. That is how they go around spoiling someone's name. Tell me what that Onukube did now.
Give me the knife first.
Huh?
Give me the knife first.
What are you doing with it?
Let me drop it.
Imagine us. That's how you be spoiling someone's name. The woman that is very, very good to us.
Very good, though. Our savior.
Can you imagine? Is it easy for someone to leave this kind of house for you?
Mban.
Eh?
Mban.
For us to start quarreling with her. That's what they want to. Coming here to say, I hope I've not said anything wrong. Let me see you here again.
Don't worry, we will have served her a good breakfast. She can go. Oh.
She was supposed to come and take us along with her.
I'm looking for her too. I've not seen her.
She's supposed to be our savior and take us away from this suffering. I'm dying. I'm dying. Oh, baby. How do we get to Mama?
I'll look for her.
How do we reach them? Let them come and take us out of this suffering. No. I'm dying.
I'll go and look for her.
No. Go and get me some drugs. Give me some drugs.
But there is no money.
I don't want to die.
Who is here? Who is here? Oh, my love.
My sweetheart. Your baby is here. Oh, come, let us go and shut down. Hey. Hello.
Hey. Calm down.
Ruby.
And
how are you doing?
Who are you calling your love?
Ruby, I have come to see my Oyibo Pepe, my beautiful Nancy, your sister.
May thunder strike that your mouth. God punish that your mouth.
Ruby, what have I done wrong?
Are you asking me? Everything about you is wrong. I hate you. I hate your breath. I hate everything about you. And listen, let this be the last time you step your filthy legs in my father's compound. Stay away from my sister. I wouldn't want to warn you again. Ngwa, alele.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down. This thing you are doing is not good, though. Very soon you will be my in-law. Very, very soon you will be my in-law.
Get out! Get out! Come on.
I'm only respecting you because you are my in-law to be. I'm only respecting you.
Get out!
You'll be my in-law. You'll be my in-law.
Big man. No, come back now. My love. Who is your love? I don't blame you. It's because I left this gate open. Let me see you again.
Of course I did.
And why are you calling Galadima?
I'm just happy you're okay. So, I have to go now.
Must you go? Can't you stay a bit with me?
Well, I have an appointment to catch up with. If you need me, I can come back later. But right now, I have to go.
You're very sweet. I enjoyed every bit of it. In fact, I've never had this sweet before.
You did well too. I enjoyed it.
Thank you. Have it at the back of your mind when next you're coming.
Don't
You'll be spending the night with me.
That's an issue. I will come back well prepared, okay? I'll come back well prepared. But I have to go now.
Thank you so much. Let's go. Let me make you happy.
Yes. Wow.
I want you to be happy. So that each time you remember how well I handle you, you will think of the styles you're going to be giving me.
You know, for this, I will come back well prepared. When I come back, you're going to experience something different. I have to go now, okay?
Bye.
I'm coming back. Take care.
Bye. Life is so sweet. And with money, you can buy everything you want, including a man. And I bought myself a very sweet young man.
Yes, no problem. Ruby, what did you tell Ekunife?
And please, let me call you back.
What did you tell Ekunife? Answer me!
And what did he tell you I told him?
Ruby, so you have the nerves, the guts, the impetus, the effrontery to walk Ekunife out of this house. For what? Was Ekunife here for you? Ruby, did he came here to look for you? Does this house belong to you? What is your problem? Oh God, why is it that you cannot mind what concerns you? Ruby, mind what concerns you and leave my part. Leave my part alone. If you're so jobless that you don't know what to do, then go to Village Square and join the children and gossip. Because that is the only thing you are very good in. It is me that Ekunife wants. It is me that he wants to settle down with, not you. So what is your problem? Why can't you just act responsible for once, even though I know you're not responsible? But at least pretend to be. Pretend to be responsible, Ruby!
I don't have time to argue with you today. Okay? But be rest assured that any day I see his filthy legs in this compound, I am going to empty 1 full bucket of hot water on him. Tell him I said so, and it is a promise, not a threat.
All right then. Go and prepare your hot water because he's on his way already. Idiot.
Me idiot.
Young man, what are you doing in my compound? Michael Wajo, what are you doing in my compound? Oh, I know that looks on your face. You have come to borrow money again. After you breached our agreement the last time. It took you a century before you can pay back the one you borrowed. You are coming for another one. It won't work, oh. It won't work, oh.
I swear, I will not breach this one. Please.
Keep swearing.
You're not far from the truth. I will pay back when due. It's just that my wife is dying. Please.
You know I'm not far from the truth. I'm saying the truth. Michael, you are not ashamed of yourself. Everyone help those who help themselves. Are you tired of fighting everyone that advises you to leave the village? For that evil woman called Onukube? That she's the one responsible for what is happening to you and your wife. Anytime such news filters your ear, you charge off to fight. Michael, get your ball. Go and look for work.
I promise to pay back. I just need money to buy medicine for my wife.
You promise to pay back?
Yes.
With which money?
I will. Some of the people I worked for will give me money. Biko, please.
I will. When you get to the road, just take your rights. Tell them you promise.
Which people?
Those people you promise. And the one that promises you, they will give you. My friend, will you get out of this compound? Get out of the compound. Go and die. Go and die. Die so that heaven will rest. Go and die. Your mates are dead and gone. If you cannot go and also at this your age. Nonsense. Grow up here as like what I don't know. Claiming fine boy in this village. Nenia. Ewu. Don't go and look for work. Fine boy, you chill ego. And why?
My dear, Ruby, welcome. Thank you.
What about your sister?
Do I have a sister?
I don't understand. What do you mean by do you have a sister?
A sister that does not acknowledge the fact that I'm an elder. Do you know that she almost beat me up a few minutes ago simply because I advised her?
What is wrong with this girl? Is she normal?
My dear, I don't care anymore. Anything she wants to do with her life, let her do with her life. After all, it's her life. If it turns out to be good though, I will just be looking at her from now on. I am tired. I'm tired. The disrespect is becoming too much.
No. You don't have to say that. She's still your younger sister.
Stop saying this younger sister of 15. I've told you before. She's not a child. Hey, Bia. What? It's not up to 30 minutes. I asked you to leave my father's compound and never return. What are you doing here?
And what is your business in what he has come to do?
with all due respect, leave my father's compound.
You lied. Because he's not going anywhere.
Nancy, do not try my patience.
Oh yes, you have been trying my patience all the while. And do not let me lose it. Sugar.
Mommy.
Baby.
Call names.
Honey.
Ah, yeah.
Please come, let's go inside.
Shut down. Shut down. Shut down.
You stupid girl. You want to carry a man inside your father's company, your father's house. Shameless goat. Come on, go inside now.
Ruby's like you want to die.
Go and do your bush love outside.
Give me that key.
Eh?
Ruby, give me that
Try
key.
me.
Ruby, give me that key.
Try me.
Hey, it's like Ruby wants to die, yo.
I just want to go.
Ruby wants to die, yo.
Now.
Give me that key. Nancy, stop. Nancy, give me. Tell her to give me that key. Tell her to give me that key. Give me. Come and take it.
Nobody should injure my baby. Nobody should injure my baby.
If you touch me,
Nobody should injure my baby.
I will beat you.
I will listen to this thing. Listen, no. I don't like this. You're making me angry. Give me that key. Stop.
No, near me, sir. Stop.
You don't have to carry a man inside your father's house. I will beat you. Give me that key. Give me that key. If you give me that key, give me that key. You must bring it out. No, leave me. Leave me.
It's okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Leave me.
Let's go. It's okay. Oh,
Ruby, I'll come back for you.
Don't worry.
I'll come back for you, Ruby.
It's okay.
Oh, baby, I don't like what you're doing.
Let us go.
Baby, I don't like what you're doing.
Leave them alone.
I don't like what you're doing.
Don't worry.
Oh,
let them stay in the house.
Ruby, I'll come back for you.
Let them eat
I'll
the
come
house.
back for
Don't
you.
worry, leave them.
Ruby.
Let them eat the house.
Oh.
Is it not? Let them eat.
Oh.
Leave them alone.
Ruby, I'll come back for you.
Let us go. Don't worry.
Leave me alone. Ruby, Gladys, leave me. Gladys, no. Leave me. No.
She's your sister.
Leave me alone now. Leave me.
Ruby, you're bigger than the teacher a lesson.
No. Don't worry. Come, let's go.
No, don't worry.
Leave me alone. Let's go. Hi. Go.
Oh. Let's go.
I don't like this.
Let's go. Because.
Poverty is a bastard. Executive bastard at that. Discharged and acquitted. Bastard the Mbomboso. What? What did you just call me? I don't understand. Why would you call me by my name? A woman with excess money is who you are addressing directly by her name, Onokube. Don't you know you will attach title to my name? Who does that? So where you came from, there are not people with money so that you can learn respect. Okay, no problem. Let me educate you. A woman with excess money, by the virtue and power of money, my new name is Barrister Dr. Mrs. Onukube. Yes. Just, I will call you back. My other phone is ringing. Somebody I have an important appointment with. Hello? Yes. My name is Barrister Dr. Mrs. Onukube. Yes. I want to know the kind of cars you have. I heard you deal on cars. Good cars. We'll be needing it very soon with my children. We are going to the village to do something.
Mama, we don't have money for cars. We don't have their money yet.
Why are you talking like that?
How are you going to pay for the car?
Don't you know I'm on the phone? Why would you be exposing me like that?
I was just reminding you.
We will make do with what we have. What is it?
Yeah.
Sorry for that interruption. How much again are you selling the car? 30 million.
Okay.
Okay. No problem.
I'll get back to you. Oh? 30 million. Do you have to know who would buy such a car? When we arrive the village, all these people that laughed at us, they will know that we have arrived. Must it be that 30 million naira own? We can buy something else. Why are you making me look as if I'm stupid on the phone? No, it's just that we don't have money. You were talking into the call. I was just... Sorry. Can't you tell me later? Sorry.
I love my boyfriend so much, right? I can't wait to marry him.
Are you sure you do as she be for me? Are you sure you marry him? Which one is am I sure? And to the main thing, are you sure you will marry him? What are you even saying? Clean your mouth. What are you saying? I'm saying the truth. He will marry me now.
I'm your best friend.
Nancy. I was told you came to look for me.
I dropped a message for your mother.
She told me, and that is why I am here.
It's good the way you came. Juliet, why are you gossiping with my name? What is wrong with all of you in this village? Just because I told Michael and his wife to get me water.
It's jealousy.
They have decided to carry the matter. You want to carry this matter on your head to kill you, Juliet?
That is why.
Is that why you are gossiping with my name? Can you imagine?
That is how they normally do. Once you're on top.
Okuya, you're not jealous in any hands. Do you know you are very stupid?
Hey!
Wicked girl! How could you?
Juliet!
You said ace! Hold it right there, Akudo. I wasn't talking to you.
Don't worry.
Did you hear me? I am not done with Nancy yet. When I'm done with Nancy, I can talk to you.
What do you?
Nancy, do you know you are very, very stupid? Yes. You are so heartless and wicked. How could you send Michael and his wife on an errand to go and fetch water for you? You see you, God will punish you.
Hey, wait. This girl, Kwame.
God will punish you. You have the mind to send Michael and his wife on an errand. Look at Nakuya.
So you came to my father's house to insult me?
Yes. I come to you. What will you do? Are you not stupid?
Jesus. She came to my father's house.
Madam, I will
slap you again.
Jesus, rubbish. Hey! Nancy, you slap me. I will slap you again. Hey, Jesus, I'll kill you today. Hey, your father's house. I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
It's okay.
Are you mad? Are you mad? No, he is mad. You cook food here, you eat in your mouth. What did I come back to this village when I should have stayed in the city and take care of myself? Get up and pound. Get up and pound. Get up and pound. Did you know you walk a pound there? Now I can't get a pound there. Look at this food. With all this dust you are trying to raise, what is that for? Who will eat this food?
Ingredients.
Come and do it. Come and do it.
No, me, I will not eat this food again. I don't see myself eating this food again. Look at. No, you wait. You two should buy me fried rice or jollof rice and chicken. I cannot eat this. Look at the way you're even standing in between the...
From where are we going to get
it? Can I go to the city? I'm going to buy it.
We don't know our way to the city. This is village.
No, wait. You don't... Get away. Go and give her money to go and buy.
Money from where? You don't have money. See, just go inside. You prepare the food and bring for you.
Which food? With all these things. Look at the way you stood in between the mortar. All the jams. I don't know whether you take your bath at all. Entering here, then you carry the food and come and give me to eat. I have to send her.
It will be sweet.
We put ingredients.
It will be sweet
inside the food.
Father Jesus, fear. Bend down and blow the fire. Blow.
No, don't do that one. No.
Why? No, why?
Don't worry.
Are you bigger than blowing fire?
My wife is blowing fire.
Which wife? Bend down and blow.
I'm blowing it.
No, don't blow fire.
Don't worry. I'll blow it.
Come let me now, break your head. Yeah, bend down and blow the fire.
Cannot bend down.
Why?
Papa, so you're still close to her. Have you spoken anything yet?
She just woke up. I gave her water. She did not drink.
Can you talk to me? Just try and talk to me. 3 months now brought you home. You haven't sent it to me or my father. Please. Just tired. Listen, how do you know? Let's keep watching. She will speak in the time. When is this 3 time? When is in the time? Relax. Don't you look at her? Because the people want to
Juliet, I was on my way to your house. Here I am. Why did you come to my house to fight my sister?
Is that why you are coming to my house to ask me?
Yes, and I demand an answer from you.
And you will not get any answers from me.
Come back here. Are you okay? Juliet, are you okay?
Ruby, if your hand touches me again, I will not look at this your ugly face and I will forget that we are friends.
And who acknowledged your friendship? If you call yourself my friend, you won't come to my house to fight my younger sister.
My darling, every ugly situation needs an ugly actions immediately. Your sister thinks because I am small that she can beat me up. But little did she know that I am small body, big engine. And next time she tries that rubbish with me, I will strangle her to death. Nonsense. Go and tell her I'd say so.
I love good name, dear.
Oh,
get out from there! Hey, why are you leaning on his shoulder like that? You don't have balance anymore. You're shaking. I cannot stay on your own. What are you trying to teach my children? I they were too pervasive like you. Rubbish. Anyway, I have a good news for you too. Wonderful news. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy as much as you can today. Because by tomorrow, you'll be leaving this house. Why? Because this house has been sold out. Wait, did I say sold out? No. Tomorrow, my children and I will be having a massive campaign that will usher me as the next woman leader in this Ochuche community. And you know how it is, change of class, change of house, change of status, change of house. I'll be erecting a befitting mansion that will befit me as a woman leader in this community. So you'll be leaving this house immediately tomorrow.
Me, I don't understand that one or that one. You're the one that said you gave us this house and everything in it. Now you're saying that we will live to where now?
Where do we go to?
Where are we going to?
Go to Golgotha.
Golgotha is far. We don't even have transport to go to anywhere.
Oh, just shut up! I am still talking. I can remember vividly I don't have water in my mouth when I said this place cannot accommodate you two again. Yes, I was right when I said this village house belongs to you. But in the same village, we have under the trees, in the bushes, uncompleted buildings, gutters. You know what I mean? People sleep there. So you people are not different from those people that sleep there. Those people sleeping under those places, under the trees, in the bushes, they are humans. They're even better than you. They have sense in their head. So if you cannot find houses where you can sleep among these places I mentioned, well, you'll be thrown out. Tomorrow my boys will come and throw you two out of this house.
Me, I don't understand this kind of promise and failure. Somebody will say something, somebody will still come and say no.
Can you keep quiet? Are you talking to me like that? Get up from there. Get up from there. Get up. Wait a minute. Oh, leave. Sorry. You're dragging my house pole with me.
Sorry.
You let him drag this place with me.
Sorry.
Are you mad?
Sorry.
You're trying to be stubborn. No problem. You, this part of this whole place, that all my house. This place belongs to me. So get out.
Obi, let's go to the kitchen.
Which kitchen? Is it your mother's kitchen?
Let's go to the toilet.
Your father's toilet. The only place that can accommodate people is outside this compound. It is still the village house. Under the trees, inside of the bushes, uncompleted buildings, they're all still in this village. So find yourself some. Try me now. Just try me. Maybe you want to beat me now. Oh yeah, beat me. Beat me. Because I had pity on you people and accommodated you in this house. That's why you're showing yourself. Come and beat me. Look at what your husband is doing. You're the one telling him to do these things to me. Don't beat me. No, beat me. You beat me.
Hello? It's getting out of hand. I just saw them. Michael and his wife. Listen, Michael's wife is very sick. Yes. He held her hand going around the village looking for money. The only 1,000 naira I have with me, I gave it to them. Trust me, if I have money, I will give it out. Something has to be done very fast. It's too bad.
What is bad?
Juliet, I told Michael and his wife. Michael's wife is very sick. And he doesn't have money to buy drugs for her. Please. Something has to be done. If you have money, give it to me. Let's go and help him out.
Honestly, I don't have any money with me. And this is getting out of hand.
So what are we going to do now?
Honestly, I don't know what to do. I don't have any money with me. Even my handouts, I don't even know how to go about it when I get to school.
Good. Ruby, how are you? What happened? Is she okay?
Maybe what happened then when I want to get
Is she having any problem with her sister?
I fought with her sister. Yes, I fought with Nancy.
Juliet, why are you like this?
See, are you ready to go? You want to stand here and talk about this thing? Come, let's go.
It's okay.
The headless fly follows the corpse into the grave.
Same way a blind man develops exceptional hearing, still does the dumb and deaf man develop exceptional vision. Time is of essence, my son.
All the same. Don't talk to me without the past. Oh, yes, look at Papa, the little girl is nowhere to be found. I searched everywhere in the house, but I could not find her.
To every soul we meet on our journey, this journey of life, there's always a purpose, always a role to play. Could be convenient or obligatory. Could also mean the real deal. Also can mean. Also can be situational. We win or we learn. Or maybe can get rewarded one way or the other. He who comes in between a man and his destiny should be ready for a battle between himself and that destiny originator. You have played your role in the little girl's life, both by providing her with food and roof over her head, even clothing, while the time lasts. She was waiting for a mission to save. That she has accomplished. But will the gifted girl come out of it alive? Of such, so many have put their lives in line.
Put their life on the line. Are you indirectly saying that it's in danger? Is she dead or what?
It is for Chukwu Okike to decide.
For which I was paid. Yes!
Mercy.
Where? Mercy. Mercy Chukwu.
Mercy.
She'll be fine, okay? So what really happened to her?
Honestly, I can't say, nurse. I was on my way back to the village when I saw her on the road. She was lying down, crying for help. So I had to bring her here. So you at least take care of her and know what to do with her.
I'm sorry. Well, she'll be fine. She'll be fine. I think she just needs to regain her strength. That's all. She'll be fine.
I'm sure she will be okay.
Sorry.
I want to see my mom and dad.
I thought she can't talk.
Marcel, say that again. Say it again.
I want to see my mom and dad.
Wow. Finally. Say. It's okay. I'll take it to mommy and daddy. It's okay.
Is she fine? Should I check on her?
Don't worry. It's okay. Nurse, thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you. Let me take her to her parents.
Okay.
Then we continue from where we stopped.
Alright.
Sorry.
Mama, sorry, yeah?
Thank you.
Alright. Alright. Take care. Let me help you.
Thank you.
Sorry, yeah?
Sorry.
Sorry, gently, yeah?
Thank you.
Do. Sorry, yo.
Oh my goodness, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Mercy. Mercy.
some repaints, you know. This dusty places, even the flowers.
You need to get someone to come clean up for
Yeah. They're not watering it, it's just looking scanty.
The truth is that the boy here is doing well, at least. The flowers are still
Babe,
looking.
she's not doing anything. The both of them, they are not really doing anything. Eh? Look
You
at
think
now.
so?
Flowers are
Yeah,
scanty.
yeah, they need to fill up that place, you know. The beautiful flower. Oh, sweetheart. My love. Our bundle of joy. Sugar. What are you doing? What are you writing? I love you, mommy. Come on, come here. I love you, daddy. Oh.
Come here. I love you too. We love you too.
We love you. I know that one day you say this with your mouth. I love you, mommy. I love you, daddy. Huh?
I see you're taking a bit of fresh air. Here you go. And now, I want you to write, Dad, I can't wait to say this to you one day.
With your mouth.
Write that. I'm coming to read it, huh?
The love of my life. You know, love is a beautiful thing. And it's more beautiful when you are with your Mr. Right.
It's more adorable when you're with your Miss Right. The only woman after my heart.
You're the man after my heart. I love you.
I love you too. Do you still feel pain?
So, what do you think about our earlier discussion?
Going to the village for holidays?
Yes. I feel it would be nice to at least spend our holidays in the village. It will help us to reconnect with my stepmother and my stepsisters. You know, it's been long I visited, or we visited, yes. And they're not happy that we have not visited for years now. And then my stepsisters, I heard things are not really going very well for them. So they will be happy to see us, and then we will now reconnect back. What do you think?
I'll think about that.
So you just say yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, sweetheart. Okay.
You don't want to take with your mom?
I wonder. Come on. How do you want to do it? No. Okay, I'm here. Say cheese.
Now, look, please don't say that. Don't say that. Because...
So why would I say that? When the handwriting is clearly written on the wall. My son-in-law here, Michael, deliberately, intentionally kidnapped my stepdaughter for so many years now, all in the name of marriage.
Mama, kidnap quoi?
Yes! What's the difference? Oh, kidnap! Because he put a chain on your neck and dragged you away. Today you know Dubai, you are flying to Dubai. Tomorrow you are flying next to India. Who knows if people are not going to Kafanchan from here? For so many years, you and your husband abandoned me and this your sisters in the village. All because you got married to a rich man. Eh? That's the upper class and lower class. They don't have the same. As now, why they make only here one now? Mama. I have brought in the same level.
Mama.
Honestly, this is really funny. Look, Danukube, you don't need to say much. We are here. We are here to spend some time with you.
Exactly.
So,
I see. So now I'm going to
no.
Because you're not saying it's funny. Why are you Michael? Michael, no, you're trying to play me while you.
No.
I
can't play my in-law while you now.
You're deceiving me. Eh? Maybe you have joined the enemy gang that said Onugudu and her children will not amount to anything. But I want to assure you we will disappoint our enemies. Especially this my Lion King. Mwaifu. Infant rebel. Waga pion them madi fefa. O mesia fifefu akuru. We will make it. O mera no woman is. We will disappoint our enemies. I got what we want.
Mama,
okay.
We are here now. Yes. And we're here to spend the entire holiday here in the village. We came prepared though. We are spending 2 weeks here with you just to make up with you. Make up everything, please. So calm down, be coming down. I'm here now.
I want to go bribe. If you know you want to bribe me, you have to bring a water. And very fat ones.
Mama, we're here with something bigger than water and cocoa. Yes. My husband and I are prepared. And we have good plans for you and my sisters here. Yes. This period that we are here in the village, onye neeli ona mechaka. Onye neeli ona mechaka.
By the time you go back to where you're coming from, it's like you're coming up with a bribe. But everything you're coming with, I don't care. A watcher and a culture must be involved.
No problem, please don't mind how that is actually.
That's why you're laughing. Don't mind my mother, that is where she
But
talks.
I'm actually happy to see all of you.
You have a line between them.
Thank you.
Okay. I'll continue. Wherever you bring out these gifts from, my chi will replenish you in 1,000 folds.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, at least my brother must be happy wherever he is now. That I gave out his only daughter to a worthy son-in-law like you.
You can say that again.
Yes. Not those one that gives me a day in, day out. You see, when your father-in-law, my late brother, brought in Onukube as a second wife, was thinking of bringing in peace and long life, not knowing that he's inviting himself to his death.
Life goes on. Let's not go back to the past.
I won't borrow one name. Hey, the death that killed my brother, it shall never be well with you.
May his soul rest in peace.
Excuse me. Okwego, do you have my money now? You called me the other day that I should give you more time to pay back. Yes, you know I don't joke with money. If by the end of today I don't see that money, just consider you and your wife sold out to recover my money. Yes. Ekuchagum, I've said mine. Nonsense. People don't understand how you suffer to make money in this country.
So you're ready to sell the family because of money?
Of course, what will I have done to recover my money? I don't joke with money. You know it.
Ha. Okay, I have to run along. I just wanted to stop by to know what's going on.
Oh, DUMELO.
So, I'll come next time.
DUMELO. Thank you.
My wife couldn't maybe come and go. Before we try to.
Okay. I'm going to buy them. Bien, come.
People are welcome to the house.
Thank you, Mama.
This is our Tachiri home. And you, yes, and you're marrying your wife well.
Of course, it's all I got. And my beautiful daughter here.
She's indeed beautiful.
Yeah. It's never a bad idea coming here to spend the holidays.
So that you can eat homemade food.
Mama really wants to finish us with food. You want us to grow fast before leaving this village?
You're not leaving this village. You have come to stay. Carrying the water.
Sisters, I've missed them. I've missed my wife's food.
Bonga food has come. Eat.
Hey.
This is homemade.
Oh, yes.
I told you that Mama can cook.
Mama's
yes.
Tell her to wash her hand now.
She said to
Oh. Yeah, that's true.
There is no need for long prayers.
Amen.
Eat food.
Mama, you can cook.
Hand me the car keys.
My car key.
Kneel down.
Pardon?
I said kneel down. Close your eyes and raise your hands.
I don't understand, honestly.
Honey, what's going on here?
Go that side. Join your husband.
I don't know. Mama just came in now. Mama said I should give her my car key, which I just did. And then she told me to kneel down. I really don't get it.
Mama, honey, I told you. I told you that my mother here is a comedian.
It was a prank.
Oh. Can you imagine?
And you two nearly fell for it.
I swear that I nearly did that.
It will never change. It will never change.
Well, you nearly got me. You kneel down.
You almost knelt down, right?
I'm trying to wrap my head around it.
Oh no! You nearly fell to it. It's a prank. It's okay. Go back to
welcome. How was your movement?
Yeah, I just went to talk.
A lot happened. How can a man who was doing well in the city came back to his in-laws' house for holidays and refused to go back and start doing petty jobs in the village? I said to myself that this is not ordinary. I went to my pastor and he prayed. The Holy Spirit revealed to him that Onukube and her children were behind all this. That she cast a spell on you. But God intervened. As I'm speaking to you now, they are all dead. They wouldn't have gotten to you people if you had listened to your daughter.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma.
Hey, my daughter. Honey, I'm sorry I brought you to this village. It was all my fault. I would have stayed in the city. What kind of holiday was that?
It's okay, I'm back, okay?
Yes.
Daddy, stop crying now. I'll cry you. Stop crying. I miss you.